In this video, let's create a Java project and then we will be seeing how to print a variable using a Java program. So I am here going to file option in the Eclipse IDE. So after opening Eclipse IDE, you will find this window. So I'm going to file option, new, and then Java project. So when we click on Java project, we get this window where we can provide the project name and location. I am providing the project name as JTest. And as already the project name is there, JTest123, I'm giving as the project name. Location, I'm browsing for the new location where I want to save the project. So I'm creating a new folder by J, and in this folder, I'm going to save the project. And then click on next. So you will be finding the next option here. Then click on finish. So when you click on next, source folder gets added to your project and then finish. So this will create a Java project by name JTest123, this one. So now in the source folder, you can add a new Java class or file by clicking, right clicking, click on new. So like this, you can right click, you can new and then class. So when you again click on class, it will give you a new Java class window where you can give the class name. So class name I'm giving as test. So class name should start with a uppercase letter. And here in the class, I'm adding the main method also, public static. So I'm checking here and click on finish. So you can see here a package with same name as project name got created here, JTest123. And then we got a file test.java in this. So this file is opened here as test.java. Now we have the package in the first line and then class test is started, and here the test class starts with curly bracket and ends with curly bracket in 10th line. Within the class we have public static void main method, which is having string type of arguments which are used for command line arguments. That is, they are acting as parameters for main, and we can pass user input value to main if required from command line. So here I am going to declare a variable int a. So int a I'm giving as 90 and system dot out dot println I'm using, which is a standard output method, println, and system is the standard class and out is the default object to access system method. So id is, and I'm giving here id is a string, id is will be as it is printed, and to combine it with variable value, I am using here plus symbol and then end it with semicolon. So this is the here we have taken a, so here we should take a is. So this will be printing a value on the output screen when we execute the program. You can see a is 90. Now if you want to print a character variable, then char a. So character will be like, it will be accepting a single letter only, alphanumeric single letter, and we need to provide it in in single quotations. So here in single quotes, I have given the value for grade, and I am giving grade is grade variable name. So this is going to print the grade like this. And then if you want to print a string, then you can use a string class in Java. So string name I'm taking, name, and strings are given in double quotations. So I'm giving here Rama, and then you can print the name as name is name. And when we execute this, we get the value. Name is Rama. And now let's see for float. Float, let's take salary. So float values, when we give, we can have decimal point in the number. And whenever we give float value in Java, we need to add a lowercase f to the value whenever we use float value. So this salary we are going to print here in this manner. And when we execute, we get salary is so and so. And then float is 4 bytes, and there is also another data type in Java called double, and no need of adding f to double. So just to differentiate between float and double, float value is added f. So here double I'm printing, which will give you salary in this. So double is 8 bytes, float is 4 bytes. Similarly, we have boolean, and boolean can be true or false. So I'm giving here for now true. So boolean data type can be true or false. The state I'm printing, state or anything, state is true. So these are the basic data types of Java, and this is how we can use different types of data and print in the Java program.